This video shows how to export a chart from ChartExpo on Macintosh operating systems. You can use ChartExpo on Mac OS in two ways. 1. Browser. 2. Desktop. First, we will cover how to export charts in the browser. Click on the Export Chart button. For more information about exporting charts, click on the Help menu item. This simple guide will help you access your downloaded file step by step. Click on the Export Chart button to export chart in SVG, PDF, PNG, or JPG. If the browser blocks the download, a pop-up will appear. Please click the Allow button. Your chart export will start downloading. Click on the Downloads icon to access the exported chart file. Recent download history dialog will open. Click on the Show in Folder icon. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. Now, we will cover how to export charts in the desktop. Click on the Export Chart button. This dialog will guide you step by step to access your downloaded file. Click the eye icon located in the top right corner. You can use Show as Saved Image on add-ins saved as Public Snapshot. This will create an image of the add-in. Press Command+C keyboard shortcut to copy the image. Troubleshooting chart export. 1. Check for limitations when exporting charts using ChartExpo on a Mac OS desktop. 2. Reload the ChartExpo add-in. 3. Open the Downloads folder after exporting the chart. 1. Check for limitations when exporting charts using ChartExpo on a Mac OS desktop. Mac OS. You cannot export charts while using ChartExpo on a Mac OS desktop due to limitations. Instead, you can take a screenshot. We recommend using Excel for the web. 2. Reload the ChartExpo add-in. If the chart does not export, reload the ChartExpo add-in and try exporting the chart again. Open the Downloads folder after exporting the chart. Click on the Export Chart button to export chart. Chart has been exported. Open the Downloads folder. Click on the Downloads icon. Recent download history dialog will open. Click on the Show in Folder icon. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. Following versions of Excel are supported by ChartExpo. We appreciate your business, thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.